Good morning, everyone. Hello.
Boulevard. Then turn right on
Ew,
Walnut
that shit's
Boulevard.
in my dress and shit, ETA. Pause.
Good morning, everyone. It is
Turn right on
Tuesday.
Walnut Boulevard.
Tuesday, and we are on our way to a secret place. No one say anything yet. We're just gonna have to wait and see.
In 900 feet.
So,
Turn right on State Route 56.
oh, she's talking. She's talking. But anyway, good morning. Hello. Ooh, the sun is out. Welcome back to my channel, ya honey. We got Titi in the back. Say good morning.
Good morning. We woke up
Turn
pretty
right on
early.
State Route 56.
Look at her. Ugly sis.
They're still not awake.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hey, konnichiwa.
Yo. Everyone has their seatbelts on, right?
In 3
Yes, we're
miles.
safe. Safety
Keep left
first.
in I-75 south
Anyway.
to Tampa.
Or shut up. She's talking
Siri.
too much.
That's not even Siri this week. Same.
Okay. Anyway, guys, so we're gonna just take you on a little adventure today,
Let's go.
and we're gonna have a good time, go on some things, do some things. I can't tell you what we're gonna do yet. We're gonna go and have fun, and it's all girls today. Woo! Wow, go the girls. Girls are on a roll right now.
hyped than anybody.
Really, seriously, we are hyped, and this one too.
Wake and bake.
Shh, don't tell anyone. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Why do you have the wipers on?
Oh. It was raining in my head.
It's still going. Okay, so we are almost at their destination. Living, and this one has the wipers on.
They do have water.
What the
that's
fuck?
Cocoa Key.
You're confusing me.
That's Cocoa Key.
So we're 70.
She out like a lake. Hey guys, so we have officially made it to our destination. And can anyone guess where we are? I'm gonna show you. We are at Universal. Yay! Oh my god, I love Universal.
You didn't even tell me
It's so cool. Oh, this is just a resort.
Oh no, this is the restaurant.
Say hi, guys. You guys excited?
We're excited. Can you tell?
I want to get a Fat Tuesday, but I won't. Woo! Oh my god, girls! Say hi. So yeah, we're here. I'm excited. I can't wait to get on these rides. It's gonna be so much fun, guys. Haven't been here. It's been a minute. I haven't been here in a minute. What?
It's based on Willy.
Oh yes. Oh, let me show you guys. Oh, I love it here. It's so nice. So nice. Woo! And it's so nice. So nice today. Like the weather is just perfect.
And everything.
Girls' Day. Yeah, so all we're doing right now is just trying to find a bathroom and also just figure out what we're gonna do. And yeah. Oh, that's what we're doing. We're trying to go inside the theme park. Because I guess this isn't exactly where we're supposed to be. So, you know. And yes, everyone's wearing a mask. Everyone has to wear a mask. So, it sucks that I have to wear a mask. Oh, damn. Scared me. Yeah, everyone has to wear a mask here, so, you know, ooh, Margaritaville. Ooh, you know your girl gotta get a drink. That is how you start your best vacation. So yeah. Okay, so we are about to enter. Woo, super bright. About to enter Universal, but I just want to show you guys this nice.
What? Let me ask her to take up with all of us.
globe.
The lady of all of us.
Hey.
Oh, okay, good.
Ooh, your skin looks so good. Okay, I see. Let
Ask
me
her to
see.
take a picture of us.
Cute. Cute.
Let me ask her. Girl.
Cute. Cute. Day, show them the fit, Day. Show them to. Ooh, get him, ooh, get him, da, 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 da. Yes. Say hi.
Hello everyone.
Tell them who you are.
I'm your sister.
Sadly, that's so sad.
Here.
We made it! Hey!
Get out of here. Oh, like that. Look at the grapes.
Look at the chef and the star.
Can we come back? I want something of the grapes. You know
Oh, my nose.
I love
Oh my god, look! Everything is so cool. Yeah, so, had to take a little story for the gram. Follow me at the Life of Dree. Ah, period. Okay. Woo, this is so exciting! I feel like a little kid right now. I'm so excited. I love roller coasters. Yes, I love roller coasters. I love anything adventurous. So this is so fun for me. Oh, look, this is the ride we're trying to go on. Woo! Oh my god, this ride is so fun. I've been on it before, so I'm excited. Oh my god! This ride is so fun.
Oh,
You guys are getting on it, right? No!
no, not today.
Hold on. Alright, we're gonna go inside. Hey guys, so we just went on this ride behind me. It was so fun. It was so fast. I was laughing the whole time. I was by myself and like I was just laughing because it's so fun. And I was like, ah! I even drooled. I was like, ew, what the fuck? But yeah, that was fun. Right now we're gonna go get something to eat and then go on more. Hey guys, so I'm back. Right. We are here. We still undisclosed location. No, I think they know. We're in Universal Studios. Alright, well they're about to play again. No, I'm gonna record you though. Wow, how do you feel right now? How did you feel that you lost?
I wasn't trying.
Oh, but she said if I tried I would win. Ooh, let me see, Lela.
It's
The
the
winner.
donut. It's the donut for me.
Ooh. Uh-oh. Oh!
I'm gonna lose.
Why not? You would be really good. Right. So Lela, how do you feel that you won?
I feel great. I've never won.
Oh wow. Let me see the donut. Nice.
I feel like Homer Simpson now.
Ooh, period. Alright, my boy, let's see what you got on camera. Let's see what you got. Show him, son. Oh, hell no.
You play basketball every day in your house.
Oh, that was it. That was the one. This is the one.
Like it's not hot.
We made it to the Harry Potter land. Okay, go straight.
Here, shorts, the
I don't know. So the ride is somewhere around here. Oh, it looks so cute. Yeah, so we're trying to find the Harry Potter ride, guys. So when we find it, we will get on it and we will ride the ride of the lifetime. Period.
That's mine.
Is it? I think we found the ride. Oh man, guys, I just missed the freaking Madagascar thing. Look. Oh!
The music.
Hey! 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 We got to drink it! We got to drink it! We got to drink it! Hey guys, so we're back. Camera's still alive. I'm surprised. But as you guys can tell, it's already getting dark. I just wanted to show you guys really quick the street. It's just all Christmas lights and it's so pretty. And I'm so ready for Christmas. Hi Lala. And yeah, it looks nice. Oh man, this is beautiful. This just makes my whole day. But I'm just gonna close out here, guys, because my thing is, my camera's dying and I'm kind of lit. I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay because I'm having fun. I'm with my family. And hey guys, what's up? I'm back, and as you guys can tell, it's the next day already, so I didn't get to finish vlogging for you guys just because my camera died, and there was nowhere I can charge, you know, the camera or whatever. But we had such a good time though. It was so much fun. The lines were not too bad because everybody was like 6 feet apart. And you kind of went like in groups, so it wasn't too bad. But we had such an amazing time together. It was like a little girls road trip to Universal, so we were so excited to be there. And it was super hot, and it just sucked because we had to wear masks the whole time. Like literally, if you took your mask off, someone was like, put your mask up like above your nose. So like that was probably like the only bad part about it, because you know it's hot and you're like, damn, like I have to wear this all day, you feel me? So that was the only sucky part, but everything else was really, really fun. We had such a great time. The rides we went on were fun. I think all of the rides there were open, so it's like a normal day, which is with masks. I just wanted to say, you know, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being just so great and amazing. And yeah, today is a good day. It's nice and sunny, so I'm gonna go enjoy my day. I'll probably sit by the pool and just chill. Yeah, I'll probably just sit by the pool, just chill a little bit, and maybe get a nice little tan. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Make sure you always like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a brand new video. But I love you guys so much, and yeah, peace.